Let him blow through it. Here, look. You want to play? Tell her, let me play.
Keaton, do you know how to blow? Uh-oh. I thought you fell in.
Let's go. Let's go. What?
Uh-oh, you split. Oops.
Just go.
Oops.
Go.
Keaton, blow it.
It's like I want some more though.
Blow.
Blow in. Go.
Yum.
How'd that taste, buddy?
He
Oops.
got the idea though. You're such a dork. He's so serious though, like he's seriously watching.
Come on, actually blow some bubbles. Go boom.
Oh, that's a good one.
Oh, that bubble was attacking you, dude. Oh no, look.
You gotta get him. You gotta be quick. Oh, no. That one was even quicker. You gotta go.
That's a big one.
You gotta clap. Go. Oh.
Oh! He thinks they have
Get the
funny.
bubble. Oh. Yeah,
Boink.
get him.
He's like drooling, he's so happy.
I think I was,
That was
some
so
bubbles.
powerful.
Oh, it's so
he's foaming.
Got it. Go. Boom.
That's so funny.
Actually, don't blow him down so much to let him get him.
Oh,
You get that
You
one.
missed one.
Blow him like up like that so they fall down at him.
So hard to catch.
Oh.
Well, you can run after
right
them.
there.